Hello everyone and welcome to my next video. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the new Facebook's Business Suite app over on your mobile phones. So the Business Suite is available both on Android and iPhone, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use it on the iPhone. So my name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital visibility strategist and tech enabler. So I help you to understand how to use the tools at your fingertips to get the visibility you and your business deserves. So don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the latest videos that I upload or when I go live. So to make it easier for you to understand how and where the Business Suite is and how to use it, I'm going to jump into my mobile phone. Okay, I'll see you in there. Okay, so the first place we need to start when we are going to be using the Facebook Business Suite is actually inside the App Store. So if you're using an Android, then you just need to go to the Google Play Store. But whilst we're here on the iPhone, we're inside the App Store. And you just need to type along the top Business Suite. And here you'll see that this is the new Facebook Business Suite and it's got this groovy new logo. So if you haven't already got it on your phone, go ahead and install it. And if it needs updating, go ahead and update it. Otherwise, go ahead and click open. Okay, so here we are inside the new Business Suite. So at the moment, you can see my Facebook business page and my Instagram account. However, if you don't see your Instagram account here, I think the best place to start is down at the bottom where you have these 9 squares. So if I go through it step by step, you should be able to connect up your Instagram so that you can actually manage both your Facebook business page and your Instagram account in the same place. So go ahead and click those 9 squares. This is going to show you everything that you can do inside the app. You can actually manage your ads inside the app. You can manage your appointments. If you have an event on Facebook, you can see that event as well. If you're using Facebook to publicize jobs, you can go ahead and look at the jobs there. If you have a shop on Facebook, you can actually access the products and manage the products inside this app. You can also see the insights of both your Facebook and your Instagram account. And you can give feedback to Facebook if you wish. But the most important area that I'd like to talk to you about just now is the settings. If you go ahead and click settings, you can see that here, the fourth one down, it says Instagram. If you haven't got your Instagram business account connected to your Facebook business page, this is where you need to go to do that. When you click on that, it's going to ask you to connect to your Instagram account. So you'll probably have to log into your Instagram account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to access both your Instagram and your Facebook business pages from inside this app. So if you haven't done that, I suggest you go ahead and connect the two up so that you have all the features at your fingertips. Okay, so going back to here, we've done the settings. So to come out of there, just go back to the profile picture of you on the left. Now, hopefully you're in the same situation as me where you can see both your Facebook and your Instagram accounts. So just a little brief overview of this area. Scrolling down, you can see that you can publish, you can see your messages, and you can see the comments from within your Facebook and your Instagram account. Down the bottom, you can see the most recent posts that you've done and any ad activity you've got, and also some insights. Along the bottom bar, we have the post area where you can view your posts as a list. So the list will give you your Facebook and your Instagram posts together. If you click that, you can just look at your Facebook feed if you want to, so you can see all the things that you've posted on your Facebook feed as well. Or you can just see your Instagram grid, and then you can see all of the posts that you've done on your Instagram. If you want to see both of them together, then you can go ahead and have it as a list. Also in here, you can see that you have the publish option. If you click that, you can also see whether you've got any posts scheduled. So if you do have any posts scheduled, they will show up in here. Okay, so let's go back. So going back to the beginning again, you can go ahead and click publish, which means that you can actually post to either your Facebook business page or your Instagram account, or both of them at the same time. Now, I would strongly suggest as a business owner to do these posts separately. The reason I suggest that you do them separately is because on Facebook, you can add a link which is clickable that you can take people off of Facebook to maybe your website or your sales page or your email marketing tool or your lead magnet. Whereas on Instagram, you have to direct your viewers and your fans and your followers to your bio link for them to access that. So putting a clickable link inside of your Instagram account isn't going to help because it's not going to be clickable. So I suggest that you do these separately. However, if you're not going to put a link in your post, maybe you're asking for engagement, maybe you're just asking them to leave a comment, then what you can do is you can click this upside down triangle. And as you can see, you can actually click to both accounts so that you can actually post to both accounts. This is really useful, like I said, if you are doing a post which doesn't require a clickable link. So an engagement post or a brand awareness post where you want people to actually interact with the content by popping something in the comments. This is a great way of doing it. Then what you do is you pop in your description. So your full description goes in here. So that's actually brought the content over. And as you can see, I've asked people to leave a message underneath in the comments, which means this is more of an engagement post, not a post which is taking people off the platform. Then what you need to do is add either a photo or a video. Now, this is going to open up your own camera roll to do that. So you go ahead and go click the video or post, and you can choose from all of the things that you've got down below. So I'm going to just grab this picture for now. If you do a video, then obviously you can grab a video as well. Then once you've done that, you can click done, and you've actually added that photo and the content as well. Now, obviously on Instagram, you can have up to 30 hashtags inside of here for search, whereas on Facebook, although you can use hashtags now, they're not really favoring up to 30. So maybe you might want to mix this up and maybe put 10 in this one. Maybe use your core hashtags for Instagram and Facebook. If you haven't done anything to do with hashtags, then keep tuned for a hashtag strategy video coming up soon. Okay, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and add your locations. There's a little pop-up that you can't see at the moment. It's asking me if I would allow the business suite to know my location whilst I'm using it. So I'm going to go only whilst I'm using the app, which means that it will be able to find me depending on where I am once I've opened the app. I'm just going to go ahead and click London. Then if you want to tag people, you can also tag people into this post as well. So you can go ahead and do that if you want. Then once you're happy, you just go ahead and click next. Then this is where the magic happens. This is where you can actually schedule your posts, and you can also see the preview for your post beforehand. So as you can see, Facebook here gives me a preview, and on Instagram here, it shows me what it's going to look like as well. So that's quite important, especially with the first two lines on Instagram being the one that people are going to click once they've read that enticing hook. So you've got your previews there, which is great. And then here it says scheduling options. So if you click publish now, it gives you the option to schedule it. So this is why this app is so good, because you can actually schedule your content weeks and weeks in advance so that it leaves you free to go off and do some other things to do with your business. So we're going to go ahead and schedule that for, say, Wednesday. Now, scheduling times, it's really good for you to go and check your insights out to see when your audience is online. So if your audience is online in the mornings more, maybe you should schedule this post for the mornings. If they're online in the afternoon or the evenings, then schedule this post for the afternoon and evenings, because you want to schedule your content when you know that your fans are online and you've got the opportunity to get some engagement. So we're going to go ahead and schedule it for 4:40. Once you're done, you just go ahead and click done. And then you click schedule at the top right-hand side. This is going to schedule your post inside of here. And as you can see, I've already got a few posts in there scheduled, and it takes a few moments for you to see. So if we go back to our normal posts and we want to check whether our schedule post has gone into there, we just need to click the schedule button. And here you go. There's both of those posts are scheduled. Now, as you can see, it's scheduled to my Facebook business page and it's scheduled to my Instagram account. So if I click the Facebook one, it's going to open it up, and your post is scheduled to be published to your Facebook news feed on the date and time below. And as you can see, it's all there. Now, if I click these three little dots, you can either publish it now or you can delete the post if you're viewing it like that. So if we come into this area and we might want to just see what these three little dots do, again, it's only publish. So you can't, once you've scheduled it on the mobile app, you can't go back in and edit it, but you can go back in and edit it inside the desktop app. So if you haven't looked at my desktop Creator Studio video, then please do go and look at that. And I will pop a link below this video to that video so that you can go and check out the desktop version of the Creator Studio. Okay, so that's how to create a post and then schedule it inside of the Creator app. The next thing along, just to let you know about the Creator app, is that the comments, you can see both your messages from people and the comments on both your Facebook business page and your Instagram account all in one place inside the Business Suite, which is the mobile version of the Creator Studio. So as you can see, my Facebook comments and my Instagram comments are interlaced together. Up the top here, we have this little toggle. You can actually view just your Facebook comments if you want, or just your Instagram comments as well. And also you can search comments, and you can also mark comments as read. Okay, so that's pretty much the Business Suite on the mobile wrapped up. If you don't know, if you prefer to work on your desktop, then you would need to go to the Creator Studio to do exactly the same as what I've done. But I think mobile wise, this is an awesome app from Facebook, which will enable you to manage and schedule posts to both your Facebook business page and your Instagram accounts. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that introduction to the Business Suite on mobile, which is the mobile version of the Creator Studio. Any questions whatsoever about this training, please don't hesitate to pop them in the comments below this video. Don't forget to like this video if you've liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell if you want notification of the next time I upload a new video or go live on my YouTube channel.